What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is gonna be on our Track Z. We're actually gonna start working on it. So as I mentioned in the other video we had, we actually bought or traded this Z and we're gonna turn it into a track car, and we're gonna bring you guys along. Stay tuned. So we're gonna start with the front end. We actually have some eBay coilovers on there now. I was able to get a good deal, and we are actually putting on the ZBC coilovers. Yeah, we have a lot of parts that we're gonna put on the car. So I got a really good deal on these BC coilovers. We're gonna swap them out for those eBay ones. And my boy Conrad, he's one of my techs here. He actually does mobile mechanic. I'll put his IG in the bottom. But he's gonna swap out the coilovers real quick, and it should be a very simple process. So I'll bring you guys along, and yeah.
What's up, guys? It's Conrad here. So yeah, we're just getting started on doing the front coilovers. Moving the sway bar now, and a few other bolts in the bottom. Pretty simple on the Z's to do these coilovers. It's not much work to do on these to install these coilovers. But yeah, we're gonna get started on it now. I'll let you guys know how it goes.
So right there is removing the bolt. And that just drops. While we're here, we're actually gonna change out the sway bar link, if that's possible. Since that one is broken, we are gonna replace both sides, which I believe is down right there. And yeah, should be very simple, hard to do. It's very simple, right?
Yeah, pretty simple to do on these Z's.
Bolt on the bottom, I believe it's the 3 bolts on top, correct?
Yes, sir.
And it should be out. All right, so the first one's out already, and yeah, it is bad. I mean, I didn't expect much. They're eBay coilovers. They didn't have a brand on them. No brand. But we're putting BC coilovers, so hopefully it'll be a stiffer ride, and it'll look better. Okay, so these are sway bar links. He's actually putting in the other one because the one that was there was actually broken. So then this just goes something like that. We're gonna change it on both sides. This side was bad, the other side wasn't. Might as well just change it. It was a package deal. He ended up measuring the length of the coilovers, just wanted it exactly the same as where it was for the wheel fitment and all that good stuff.
I think they are actually
Sort inside.
Yep.
So then we actually, I don't know, I showed you guys the wheels were red before. We actually had them painted. One of my guys, Daryl, he ended up painting them gloss black. Probably today, maybe. I'll paint the calipers yellow with the black Brembo stickers. Yeah, and that'll be for the suspension. Oh, and the pads are gonna be dropped in. After that, we're gonna work on the front end, but that'll be another episode. But yeah, today will be the suspension, sway bar link will be put in. All right, so front strut is on, the sway bar link is on. There, it looks better. We're gonna clean this up a little bit. We're gonna paint these calipers most likely yellow with the black letters. We're gonna change the pads. Rotors are still pretty decent, so we're running like that. And yeah, hopefully tonight the car will be on the ground. All right, so the fronts are done. New end links, the strut is up, both sides. Now we're gonna go to the rear. So these are the rear struts. I'm gonna put them in the rear. At first I thought there was something missing there, but it just replaces, the strut replaces it completely.
So yeah guys, on the rear factory there does go a spring here, and it's just like a strut separated from the spring. So there's a spring and a strut. This has a conversion kit, which is just a whole one-piece coil over here, which is simple on the rear. It's just a bolt here, 2 bolts on the top. That's pretty much it.
Maybe under here.
No, which is the bolts are through actually here, guys.
Oh, on the bottom?
Which is simple on the Z's and the G35s, guys. It's just 2 bolts right here and a bolt right here. It's very simple, guys. When you have this conversion, yeah. So simple. We're gonna get it done now. And here we go.
Yeah, so these were blown. Makes sense why we're hearing noise in the back. Good thing we're changing them. It's out. Alright, so the rear is actually really good. We're actually gonna paint the calipers another day. The fronts need to be adjusted a little bit, but it's not bad. And then, yeah, this coils are on. The black wheels make the car look so good. But yeah, and that's on. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Our Z is already on the floor. We do have to do the brakes, paint the calipers, so at the same time we're going to adjust the fronts a little more. I think the back are perfect. Look at the black on the gold. It's actually really nice. But my boy Conrad got it done.
Got it done for him. We got it all good. Still need some adjustment here and there, but we still got a few more things left to go. And we'll keep you guys in tune.
It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. So I'll keep you guys updated. You can follow us on our IG. I'll put Conrad's IG as well on there, and you can give us a follow. Keep updated with everything we do. Because again, we don't only do this specifically. We modify cars. We have this one. We're doing starlights right now. He does mobile mechanic.
Like, follow, and subscribe, guys.
There you go. He already said it. But once again, guys, thank you for all the support, and on to the next one.